Let's hear it again.
Oh, look at that face.
Let's hear.
Getting the whole body language.
I think you're done. Her legs like,
Woo! That was a lot of work. Yeah. That was so much work. That was so much talking.
If we, like play or whatever, in the nights that, or whoever's around, there are times when
She's like, take me
2:30 or
seriously.
3
doing
and
that while you're
you
gone
know,
is bat noise.
Right.
I
when
mean,
she was upset.
I still might wake up, but
And
it feels
it's
so
like
good to get up.
grates on you.
Sometimes I'll get up and then go back on the couch and there's nothing better than that going back to sleep and sleeping for a couple more hours.
I'm on record.
All right.
Yeah, I agree. I do that sometimes when I go downstairs, sleep on the couch. And that's my extra 2. Oh, you're so funny. What's Mama doing?
She says, I'm cracking myself up.